Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a page number in Word from a specific page. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I have 3 pages. For example, I'm just going to use page 2 as the starting point, or a page where I want my page number to start. All right. So again, click on the page. Now go to layout, go to breaks right here, click on it and select the next page. All right. Under section breaks, click on it. And after that, go ahead and go to the Insert tab. Just click on it. Now locate the page numbers, which is right here. Click on it. Now select from one of these templates, okay? For example, at the top or maybe at the bottom. So let's just go ahead and select the bottom right here. Maybe this one, accent bar. I'm going to click on it. As you can see here, it still counts 1, 2, and 3. So in order to get this page to start as number 1 and then 2, well, all you got to do is just go ahead and go to the top, click on link to previous, okay? Untick it or deselect it. There you go. And then go to page number right here. Click on the drop down and then click on format page numbers, okay? Click on it. Now, page numbering, make sure that you start at 0 and 1. All right? Again, 0, 1. After that, got to click on OK. But the problem here is that we have page 1 right here. If you want to remove it, by all means, go ahead and remove it, okay? So what you can do is just click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and just remove it, okay? And there you go. That is how you add a page number in Microsoft Word from a specific page. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.